Have you ever wondered how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner? Well, you're not alone. Affiliate marketing is a vast, complex world, and it can be daunting to newcomers. It involves promoting other businesses' products and earning a commission from every sale made through your referral. However, it's not all uphill. Enter the easiest system ever, a solution crafted to navigate the intricate labyrinth of affiliate marketing. The easiest system ever is designed to make your journey into affiliate marketing as smooth as possible. So, what exactly is the easiest system ever? Well, in the simplest terms, it's a tailor-made solution for those who are just dipping their toes into the vast ocean of affiliate marketing. It's a streamlined, user-friendly platform that takes the guesswork out of the equation, guiding rookies through the ins and outs of this exciting industry. Imagine having a compass that points you in the right direction, helping you avoid pitfalls and common mistakes. That's what the easiest system ever is all about. It's about giving you the tools you need to succeed in affiliate marketing in 2023 and beyond. But it's not just about the tools. It's about understanding the landscape, the trends, the do's and don'ts. It's about learning the ropes, and then, once you're comfortable, pushing the boundaries. The easiest system ever is more than just a system. It's your guide to navigating the world of affiliate marketing. Now that you know what the easiest system ever is, how do you use it? Well, let's dive right in. First things first, sign up on the platform. It's a breeze and shouldn't take you more than a couple of minutes. Once you're in, you'll find a dashboard with all you need to start your affiliate marketing journey. Next, select a product you'd like to promote. The platform offers a wide range of products, making it easier for you to find something that aligns with your interests. Once you've picked a product, it's time to create your unique affiliate link. This link is your golden ticket. It's through this link that all your commissions will be tracked. Finally, start sharing your link. The easiest system ever offers a myriad of ways to do this, from social media to email marketing. Remember, the more people click on your link and make a purchase, the more you'll earn. And there you have it, a simple and easy guide to using the easiest system ever. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be intimidating. Imagine embarking on an exciting new journey with the easiest system ever as your guide. This system is just as it sounds: easy, user-friendly, and perfect for beginners. It's the best way to start affiliate marketing, offering you a smooth path to navigate the affiliate marketing landscape of 2023. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. With the easiest system ever, starting your journey in affiliate marketing is just a click away. Give it a try today. Often the difference between success and failure lies in taking action. Think of all the successful people you know. What do they all have in common? They took action. They didn't just think about their dreams, they went out and made them happen. Now, it's your turn. Click the link in the description to access the easiest system ever. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Remember, you have the power to change your life, to create your own success story. All you have to do is take that first step. Click the link and start your journey towards affiliate marketing success today. You have the power to make a change. Make it happen. Click the link, start now. Your future self will thank you.